Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to give stroke to a text in Photoshop. After creating artboard in Photoshop, we can go to left toolbar, we can find type tool, click and hold. We can choose different type tool here. I will use horizontal type tool and then click on artboard. Next, we can start to type stroke space text. And then we can use move tool to show the transform handle. Okay, can click and drag to make it obvious by enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it, something like this. And then press Enter to apply it. I move it here. Next, we can go to layers window. If you don't have layers window, you can go to window and show layers here. So I go back to layers window and go to text layer. Use double click to open the layer style. Next, we can go to find stroke. Click to activate. And then we can go to stroke, highlight to see the option. We can change the size of stroke, and also we can change the position of stroke. I will use outside and enlarge it, something like this. And also we can change the color. I will change it to green and press OK to apply. This is one layer of stroke. If you want to add one more layer of stroke, we can press plus icon. And then we can change to another color. For example, I changed to yellow and reduce the size, something like this. So we have two layers of stroke. I press OK to apply. So this is how we can give stroke to a text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.